Hi guys, Jay Marshall Footy Fan here. I've got a guest on the video, Niall.
Hiya.
Yeah. So last episode / part, we drawed 0-0 with Arsenal, and now we've got Fulham in the league match day 2. I think we can make one signing, should we? For the next episode / part, I want you to pick a player I should sign in the comments. Right, so me and Niall have a player in mind here. Who's this?
Curtis Jones.
Curtis Jones. So we're going to sign Curtis Jones to the team.
Wait, I'm just seeing if we receive.
So we're signing Curtis Jones here. We'll go with 45 here, see what they say. We'll go with 44. They accept 44. Now we've got the negotiations to do. That's us signing Curtis Jones to Manchester United. Now, I think we go with a backup goalie here, and I think we go James Trafford. If Niall agrees with that, do you agree?
Yep.
So I think we go with James Trafford. I think he'll do the job. Maybe got a couple of cut games in there. So let's get signing James Trafford. Here we go. We're in the negotiations with Pep. There's Pep there. And there's James Trafford. I think we can go 35, see what we say. Yep. That's us now, just not got to negotiate his contract. He's wanting important, yeah. He's coming to the other side of Manchester, hopefully. And that's James Trafford signed for Manchester United. With the number in there. So that's 2 signings this episode / part. So that's 2 signings. Curtis Jones and James Trafford, and then we also signed Andy Robertson last episode. If you liked the last episode. So James Trafford to the other side of Manchester. Let's see his rating. 77. 1/11. I think we'll try a game with Trafford and go against Fulham. Yeah, right, let's get into the game. Here's the team. So we've got James Trafford in goal. Mazarawi, Delit, Martinez, Robertson, Curtis Jones, Fernandez, Cunha, Embuemo, Ahmad, and Sesko up front. Let's get into it. Sesko pressing high. Ahmad wins the ball. Sesko. Oh, bad pass. Robertson wins the ball. Good through ball to Ahmad. Ahmad driving down that left hand side. Shoots. Corner kick to Manchester United. First corner kick of the game in the 5th minute. Going on the inside of the boot. It's up. Oh, keeper saves. Smith Rowe. Cunha, he's through. Cunha. Oh, he's at the post. Oh, he's at the post. Oh, they've hit the post twice there. But still in the mix. Did they win the header? Yeah, Cunha. Oh, hit the post twice. Unlucky. Oh, he's won the ball back. Played out to Emblemo. Emblemo delivers. Goal. Oh, what a save that was by Leno. He hit the post twice there. Second corner kick of the game. Plays it, shoots. No, too big a touch. They're on the counter attack now. Curtis Jones wins the ball. Cunha, oh, gets tackled. Ahmad wins it. To Bruno. Good ball. Emblemo. Oh, shoots. Yes! Manchester United go 1-0 up. Who's the scorer there? I think that's Ahmad. Yeah,
Ahmad scores
Ahmad scores.
on his number.
Eighth minute, 1-0 to Manchester United. Ooh. Sesko. Shot. Messi. Cunha. He's driving through on goal. Calvin Bassey wins the ball back. But Cunha's won it in there. He delivers. Oh, was that a shot or was that a cross? Niall, what do you think?
I think it was a cross, but
You think it was a cross?
hit the wrong party's foot.
On Bertie's foot. Now that's Fulham on the counter attack in the 24th minute. Martinez touches and Emblemo switches the ball to Ahmad. Ahmad dribbling down that left hand side. He's done well this game. Sesko saved by the keeper. Ahmad, he's done really well this past 27 minutes. He's done really well. Ahmad running down that left hand side. Oh, the boys have been doing really well. Ahmad won that ball back in there. He's decided he's going to go to goal. And he gets tackled, but it's a corner kick, third corner kick to Manchester United. Deliver, Sesko, no. They win headers, but Martinez wins it. It's still in the danger zone for Fulham. Sesko, oh, and he's just missed. But I think he was offside there now.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, the Rhino's flagging offside. Yeah. He's running was offside.
There's a
Fulham on the attack. Bruno's done well there. And Emblemo driving at pace. Sesko. Good ball. Ahmad. Oh, what a save. Yes! 2-0. I think that was a good ball from Sesko. And then I think Emblemo's done really well to go up on that follow-up. I think he's done really well there. Bruno switches it. Smith Rowe's getting a lot of space on the ball there. Robertson's done well, ain't it? There now.
yeah.
He's just stood them up. He's not dived in. Just stood them up. Fulham's still on the attack. Cunha's done well. Sesko. No. He decides to go himself. I don't know what he was doing there. Like, I think he could have played Sesko there, eh now.
Yeah.
If he played Sesko, he could have made that run and then he could have maybe got a goal from that, but oh well, pass is a pass. Touch, brings it down. Decides to go to Sesko. Sesko gets tackled by Bassey. Sesko's got the ball in their half. Good interception. He's played to Ahmad. Ahmad to Emblemo. Shoots, saved. I think Sesko's got to be there on the follow-up. Sesko, he's won the ball in their box. Oh, I think Sesko's done really well there. Now I think Cesco's doing really well there. Do you think? Do you want? I think we make one change here. I think we'll take Ahmad off because he's looking a bit tired here. So I think we'll bring on. We'll bring on Xerxes. And we'll bring.
Darrell.
Yeah, Dalot can come on. And I think we bring Ugarte on. Do you think?
Yeah. Could bring Ugarte on for
Junior, he's looking a bit tired.
Cunha.
And then we bring Bruno Fernandes into the cam position there.
Then we're also going to do a
Mason
right wing change.
from.
Bring Mason Mount on.
Let's go. Cesco on the ball. Plays to Mason Mount. Into Ugarte. Curtis Jones gets tackled. Oh,
Ref plays advantage.
ref plays advantage there. I think he's done well to win the ball there, but I don't know if that was a foul or not.
Neither.
Goes,
Has he been a used to before?
goes into Cesco. Cesco's making that run into the edge. Ugarte shoots, goal. Good finish by Ugarte there now.
Mason Mount!
Oh, saved. Xerxes running with the ball, gets tackled. Cesco plays to Mason Mount. Mason Mount driving down the right hand side. Decides to cut in and he shoots and he scores. That's 4-0 to Manchester United. In the 59th minute, Mason Mount to score. Good finish by Mason Mount there right now.
Yeah. He's done very well to get past the defender. He's ran through his own half.
He's done really well there. Good finish. He's done well to get his body in front. And good finish. Robertson wins the ball back. Cesco, Mason Mount on the ball. He's had a really good game coming on after half time. Mason Mount driving down that right hand side. Decides to cut in and play Jones. Curtis Jones shoots. The ref has called a goal. I thought he was offside there, but it wasn't. That's 5-0 to Manchester United. This is a hammering. 62nd minute. Curtis Jones
On his debut.
gets a goal. Mason Mount's done well, and then good finish by Curtis Jones there. I think he's done really well there now.
Yeah.
Cesco wins the ball. Cesco plays to Mason Mount. Mason Mount driving down that right hand side again. He's getting so much space. Ugarte shoots. That's his second of the game. That's 6-0 in the 66th minute.
Bang!
Ugarte wins that ball back.
Try to switch it.
I don't know where Xerxes was there. I think he was sleeping a bit there now.
Yes.
Bruno Fernandes switches it. 6-0 Manchester United. Sorry. Fulham, I think they've just dropped off us a wee bit. Mason Mount through on goal. He's through. Oh no! Oh no! I think he could have shot there earlier now.
Yeah.
Did he head that?
He's thinking he's got all the time in the world. And then when he's about to shoot, he slips. Then they lose the ball.
No, they're throwing the counter attack. We're in the 78th minute. goes through. Plays to Mason Mount. Mason Mount's had all that time in the world in the second half. Is he going to get his hat trick? No. Well, he could still get his hat trick, but he's not going to get it there now. No. Xerxes running down that left hand side. Xerxes wins that ball back. Sesko. Oh. Curtis Jones plays to Mason Mount. I've said a lot of times he's had a lot of space on that ball. Same way.
You got it for his hat trick.
Not there now. Xerxes goes in. Shoot!
You got it for his hat trick. Off the
Got it.
bench.
Oh. The two boys that came off from the bench and scored 2 goals. Mason Mount and Ugarte.
Still time for the hat trick.
89th minute. 2 minutes of added time. Bruno Fernandes. Oh.
Full time.
And that's full time. What do you think was good here now?
It was good at moving the ball. Good standard. They just need that every week.
Who do you think would you give man of the match?
I would give Mason Mount off the bench.
I would say, yeah, Mason Mount, yeah. Ugarte done
I
well.
think we start Mason Mount this game.
We'll start with the next episode. We'll start with the next episode. Yeah, I think Ugarte done really well there, but I would give it to Mason Mount too.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah, Mason Mount's named the man of the match.
Mason Mount was named man of the match, so you were right there. So we're third in the league and we're playing Burnley. We're in part 3 tomorrow. And mind to say what players you would like in the comments for me and Niall to sign you. Thank you. Jamie Marshall, remember to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Jamie Marshall, Footy Fan out.